morning, everyone.
Good morning.
To the new SINAG advisor, Ms. Jihada S. Hassan, the outgoing editor-in-chief, Ms. Fatima Raihan Sanchola, the incoming editor-in-chief, Ms. Fatima Sakina Isnijul, and to our proud parents, Ma'am and Sir, to the staffers of the SINAG congregation, my jewels, a pleasant day to all. Sukan nyo din nakapag-claim na bakas. Raise your hand. Claim. How about nakasakat kapal? Okay. How about nakasakat jeep?
Ay,
Okay. So, there is one common thing about those things. When we are on the journey, ang mga kalawayan views na malingkat, right? But we don't tell the driver of the car or jeepney na paundungan na abaha Martires kasi malingkat ko yung UAE. Right? Or we don't tell the ship captain of Montenegro, Sir, kung mo ba diyang itungan sin darat kasi malingkat ko. I-enjoy ko na. And similarly, we don't tell the pilot to stop the plane while we are in air, just for us to enjoy the view. Right? Because lahat tayo sa vehicle na yun, meron tayong kanya-kanyang schedules. We have flights to catch, we have transactions to finish pag nagzambuanga tayo, or kung kita di hajib, ang kita classes di. So, nag-resource kita di tayo. If I compare my journey as the advisor, it's like I was on a flight. Parang gano'n. No? So, yung mga hindi pa nakapag-claim, sana, hopefully, one day, makapag-claim kayo. And imagine this, you're on a plane. The engines hum steadily as you rise above the earth. Your seatbelt snug, a little nervous about the turbulence ahead, but eager for the view. You glance out the window, and there, above the clouds, you see something breathtaking. A calm sky, a golden sunset, maybe even the curve of the earth. In that moment, everything feels light, suspended, hopeful. But as beautiful as it is, we know the plane won't stop, just so we can admire the view a little longer. We can pause mid-air. When I boarded this flight in October 2020, I didn't know what kind of journey lay ahead. I only knew I had been entrusted with something special, a publication with history, spirit, and so much potential. I was uncertain, but excited. And over time, I learned to love this flight, to love my role as advisor, to love the chaos and creativity of deadlines, and most of all, to love working with all of you. I hope you know that. Together we soared. Together, through tight edits and tense press weeks, we climbed. Through storytelling and advocacy, we found altitude. There were storms, yes. We cannot deny that. Sanay na tayo sa storms, tama? Yes. Ilang storms na ba yung nadaanan natin? Sabi nga niya, nakailang ayoko na tayo, nakailang ayoko na talaga. Dati ayoko na, tapos na talaga, ayoko na talaga. No, nakailang ganun na tayo. We've all been through that stage. But also, clear skies. So, meron din mga, yung, ay, dito talaga ako. Diba? Together, we celebrated our wins and pride. We comforted each other over the sorrowful scenarios that we encountered. And then, we have so many moments that made the journey not just bearable, but I'll always treasure satisfying part for me as the advisor. Yung makita ko kayo transforming from your day one sa interview upon recruitment. Yung magsasabi, ay ma'am, takot ako, or I don't think I am fit for this. Yung mga ganong moments ninyo. And then suddenly, seeing you grow. You become confident. And then you discover your potential na, ay, kaya mo palang gawin to. Yung mga writers nga, nakapag-photojournalist, yung photojournalist, nakapagsulat. So those transformations, those are the things that really made me feel so satisfied as the advisor. From unsure voices to powerful change maker. So dati, di mo naririnig anong klaseng boses meron siya. Pero later on, sa meetings, marami nang masasuggest. Ganito na lang gawin natin, paying na lang, and so on and so forth. Okay? Each of you became braver, bolder, and brighter. You found your wings, and I was lucky enough to be with you while you did. But like every flight, ours too has landed. So kada sakay natin sa jeepney, pakundong in jeep, bang pumatong na pa SSC. In Montenegro, bang pumatong na pa Zamboanga, mundong na. In plane, pagdatong pa Manila, mundong na. So, ours right now has landed. We cannot stay on the runway forever, reminiscing about the clouds. As much as we love this shared experience, we now have other places to be. New duties, new dreams, new journeys that awaits us. For example, yung ating outgoing staffers, alangan naman di natin sila pag-graduating, di ba? So, that kind of scenario. During this flight, when we are awestruck by the view, we really would like to spend some time longer, right? We can't go back to that time. Halimbawa, hindi sila makakapag-enroll ulit ng 4th year. We can go back to that time. And then, but we can always say, what a beautiful ride it was. To the CMAG staffers, my jewels, thank you. Thank you for trusting me to guide you. Thank you for writing bravely. Lalo na sa mga columns. I always tell you, sige, go write what you want to write. So, that is bravery. For editing fiercely and for standing up for what mattered. Thank you for flying with me. Thank you for the love, respect, and friendship. You really knew how to make my day. Alam na alam niyo paano. Diba? Hindi na natin kailangan sabihin how to make my day. You also stayed true to your words during our interview when I asked you, anong gagawin niyo if, for example, something bad happens? And lahat sumagot ng positive. That you will be there for CMAG, no matter how down the moment is. And you proved your words because you stayed. And for that, I really appreciate that. Na-mention na din kanina, kaya tayo umabot dito. Because that's the reason why we always manage to survive the rough fights. So thank you. And keep doing that. Alam ko there will be fluctuations of emotions. Magkakaroon ulit ng mga ayoko na in the middle, pero don't make impulsive decisions. Baka yung ayoko na yan is temporary lang. Okay? So, stay. Kung may successor, Miss Jihada S. Hasan, Ma'am Je, you are now the pilot of this remarkable publication. I am confident that your guidance will help CMAG continue to soar to even greater heights. May you lead with vision and compassion. May you encourage our student journalists not just to write, but to listen, to care, and to create with purpose. I know CMAG is in good hands now. as I move forward to my new designation as the Creative Works focal person, I will carry with me all the memories of our journey. The late nights, the overtime work sa office, the cheers of our victories, kung gaano tayo ka-competitive, alam nyo yan, the published pages, and the endless plans for the organization. I may be stepping off this particular flight, but CINAG will always be one of my favorite destinations. Let us not mourn the landing. Let us celebrate that we flew, that we witnessed the sky together, that we made stories that matter. You will always be jewels in my heart. I love you all and see you around.